Hello and welcome to Happiness Online Math. Today we have another exponential logarithm math problem on the board, and we are supposed to find for the value of x. Let us go ahead and prefer solution to this question. Solution. So we have log to base 2, log to base 3, log to base 4, 2 raised to power x, all equals to 2. Right. So this is how we're going to start. We're going to start with this log rule that states that log of a base b equals c becomes a equals b raised to power c. So if we apply this rule, our equation now becomes log to the base of 3, log to the base of 4, 2 raised to power x now becomes equal to 2 raised to power 2. This 2 pushes the 2 on the right hand side up into the exponent phase, and then this 2 becomes the base. So now this that we have here becomes log 4 2 raised to power x equals 2 squared is 4. Now we're going to do the same thing again like we did earlier as our next step. So 3 pushes this 4 up into the exponent phase, and then the 3 becomes the base. So what we have now becomes log base 4 2 raised to power x equals 3 raised to power 4. Now 3 raised to power 4 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. So now what we have is log. This now becomes log base 4 2 raised to power x equals 81. Right. So what do we do next? Now we're going to do exactly the same thing again. The 4 becomes the base, pushes the 81 into the exponent phase. And so now what we have in the next line of the equation becomes 2 raised to power x equals 4 raised to power 81. Now we have a base of 2 and we have a base of 4. Let us rewrite this 4 in the base of 2. So now it becomes 2 raised to power 2, 81. Right? So now we know that a raised to power m n is the same thing as a raised to power m times n. So now we have 2 raised to power x equals 2 raised to power 2 times 81. We have 2 raised to power x equals 2 raised to power 2 times 1 is 2, 8 times 2 is 16. We have the same base, and therefore we can equate the exponents. So the x now becomes 162. This is our final answer for the value of x. Let us verify this answer just to make sure that it is correct. So to verify, we have our question. We have log to the base 2 of log 3 log 4 2x. Okay, so we have log 3 log 4 2 raised to power x 2. Now we're trying to see if the left hand side is going to be equal to the right hand side. So our x is equal to 162. Okay, now from our equation earlier, we've found that 2 raised to the power x is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 162. And 162 is the same thing as 2 times 81. So this becomes 2 raised to the power 2, 81. So 2 raised to the power x is the same thing as 2 squared is 4 raised to the power 81. Now, we have 4 raised to the power 81 because when we plug in the value of x here, we have a base of 4 here as well. Okay, so we want whatever we're plugging in here to have the same number as the base. So now this whole thing now becomes log of 2, log of 3, or log base 3 into log base 4, 4 raised to the power 81, because 2x, we have 2x here. Now we're saying our 2x is equal to 4 raised to the power 81. Okay, so let's see if this is going to be equal to 2 at the end of the day. Perfect. So 81 comes to the back, and then we have log of 2, log of 3 into 81 times log of 4 base 4. This is going to be equal to 2. Log of 4 base 4 equals 1. So now we have log base 2, log base 3, 81. Okay. Now we know that 81 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power 4. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. So 3 raised to the power 4. This now becomes log to base 2, log to base 3, 3 raised to the power 4. Let's see if it's going to be equal to 2. So this now becomes 4 log of 3 base 3. And log of 3 base 3 is equal to 1. So now we have log to base 2, 4. 4 is the same thing as 2 squared, right? So now we have log 2 raised to the power 2 base 2. And this 2 moves over there. We have 2 log of 2 base 2. And log of 2 base 2 is 1. So we have 2 times 1. 2 times 1 will give us 2. And we can see that now what we have on the left hand side is now equal to what we have on the right hand side. So this simply just proves the fact that our value of x, which is 162, is the correct answer. So go through this entire solution. If you have learned something new today, make sure that you share this video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe, like the video as well. I really appreciate you for your time for watching this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care and bye-bye.